This is a quick guide to mapping fields with the Mollie and ActiveCampaign integration. So once you have your Mollie account connected and you've walked through the workflow of adding a new resource, you're then going to want to map your fields. So you can see here, I've got a account connected and it's going to pull up a window and it's going to ask you to map fields. And there's quite extensive field mapping in the Mollie integration, which is part of what makes it so powerful. You can bring over a lot of data, a lot of payment information to then use for remarketing purposes. So you have quite a few options here. All of these are different fields you can map. In order to map these fields pulling over from Mollie, you're going to need to manually create fields in ActiveCampaign first to match. So this one might be called payment method, payment order ID, payment description, and so on. You will need to map the email field first. So first and foremost, make sure you're mapping email to the correct corresponding email with Mollie. So there are a few email options depending on which resource you're pulling over. Most likely it's going to be customer email on payment, and make sure you get that connected. Then you can move on and you can see that I have corresponding fields mapped already. So these are my fields I've created in ActiveCampaign, and I can easily map these fields. That's done just by creating custom fields in ActiveCampaign, and I can map as many of these as I need to. So payment method to payment method, and I can just keep going. And the more the merrier, generally speaking. In order to map fields in ActiveCampaign, you can go to lists, and then you can go to custom fields. Go ahead and then start creating new fields. Mostly just text fields are going to be the right choice for that. And I also recommend creating a section of fields, adding a group for your Mollie fields that you're going to connect. So that's your guide to mapping fields, and please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.